some brain sand to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
For this tutorial, you will need 1.5 pack or 2 packs of expression braiding hair depending on how full you want the wig to look. Wig cap with closure net in front of it, ventilating needles, scissors, bobby pins, straws and hair clips. First thing to do is to cut the braiding hair into 2. When you cut the hair into 2, you will see that the edges are blunt. Now I'm just fading out the hair so that the hair won't look blunt. You guys will get to see why I'm doing this at the end of the video. After fading out the tips of the hair, we'll just go ahead to brush it. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope you are doing well. From the title below, you guys already know what the topic is. Just to soften the hair a little bit, I'm using this apple hair cream to apply on the hair. You can use any hair cream of your choice. This is just to help soften it. After applying the hair cream, we'll just go ahead to brush it more. Coil the hair, I'm going to be making use of this chair and it's my makeup chair. So we'll be wrapping this blue thread around the chair just twice, which is going to be enough. I'm just going to be using it to create the knots. So this is me showing you guys how to create the knots with the braiding hair. To create the knot, I'm taking some piece of the hair to cross one side behind the rope and the other side in front of the rope. Take just little piece out of the hair and then round it twice the hair to tie it. Just allow you guys to see 1 or 2 more times and then just jump right into the next part. We'll continue until I'm done with 1 pack of the braiding hair.
Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn.
Now that I'm done creating the knots, to coil the hair, we'll just be using straw coils and bobby pins. To coil the hair, the first thing you need to do is to pick out small section of the hair and twist. And then place the straw coils on top of the hair. Leave a little space first and then join the little space of the straw coils together with the long part of the straw. After doing that, we'll just coil the hair around the straw just for you to twist and turn, twist and turn. You continue until you get to the end of the hair. When you get to the very end of the hair, for the extra piece of the straw, you just pin it down with bobby pins. This is just to make sure that the hair does not unravel. I'm just going to let you guys see for yourself before I move over to the next part.
Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.
the hair to the rollers, I'm just going to put the hair into hot water without the rope. This is going to help the hair set. After putting the hair in hot water, we'll just allow the hair to air dry, and after that we'll remove the straw and the bobby pins off camera. This is what the hair looks like after unraveling all the straw coils and bobby pins. Moving on to the next part, this is the wig cap and closure net in front of it. I'm just ventilating, but I'm not doing the 1 to 2 strands ventilating. And if you want to see a detailed tutorial or a detailed video on that, I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Ventilating using a ventilating needle, push it through the closure net and take about 3 to 4 strands of hair, push it out of the net to form a loop. Take the tips of the hair and then push it through the loop to form a knot. Very simple. I'm using the same expression braiding hair for this part of the wig. I cut it into 2, that's cutting 2, and then I bend the middle part of it so that I can get equal length while ventilating or after ventilating. We'll go ahead to do this 3 or 4 more times so that you guys will get to see for yourself before moving on to the next part or next section. Now that I'm done ventilating, I'm just identifying the middle part of the closure using a tail comb. Then use a bobby pin to pin it down so that it doesn't get in the way while I'm coiling it to the rollers or to the straw. And you here, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below and give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial is helpful. For coiling of the closure part, I'm just using the same straw and bobby pins, just same way I coiled it or coiled the other part of the hair, and after that we'll just put the hair in hot water off camera.
We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are. Where we are, we can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.
To put everything together, I'm just loosening up the straw and the bobby pins in front. We'll use this crochet pin to crochet all the hairs that I curled before to the wig cap. Crocheting, just insert the crochet pin through the wig cap and then take the hair through the knot I created initially and push it through the cap or the wig cap to create a loop. Then take the tips of the hair and then pass it through the loop to create a knot.
Tonight it was meant to be. Close my eyes, I feel where we are. Where we are, we can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more.
After crocheting all the hairs, I decided to unravel the coils a little bit so that it will look more like kinky hair. After crocheting all the hairs to the wig cap, this is how the wig cap looks. Installation is very simple. I'm just using the shade of my powder to apply on the lace closure just so that it will look natural in front. So yeah, here is the final look. You can style this hair in different ways, and as you can see, I styled it in 4 different ways. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Share this video to friends and family. Leave a comment on what tutorial you want to see up next on this channel. Love you guys and stay blessed.
We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close